Hey builders! Today we're exploring Snowflake Notebooks on Container Runtime, your IDE for easily building machine learning models at scale on your governed Snowflake data. Before we start, let's cover the requirements and setup. To begin, you will need to work with your admin to get access to certain things. You will need to get access to a database, a schema, a stage, as well as a notebook. They should also set you up with a warehouse as well. And most importantly, they will need to give you external access to PyPI. All Snowflake customer accounts are automatically provisioned to have access to default CPU and GPU compute pools for running notebook jobs. These compute pools turn on only when notebooks are started with them and will automatically suspend after 10 minutes of inactivity. Let's build an end-to-end machine learning pipeline. Notebooks on Container Runtime come pre-installed with the most popular open source packages, or you can pip install any package of choice from open source hubs like PyPI or Hugging Face. Now that you're set up, let's go ahead and get started. Here is our notebook running on Container Runtime. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and check out the packages we have access to. Container Runtime for Snowflake Notebooks includes many pre-installed packages, as you can see here. But we'll need a couple more so that way we can do what we need to do. One of them is actually Seaborn. And we see this notification here where we need external access, and this is what we got set up from our admin earlier. So let's make sure we have that access. We have access to many different ones, but what we need is PyPI access. Now, let's go ahead and pip install Seaborn. Let's go and seed our data in the diamonds table. And let's go ahead and create a visualization from it. Let's go ahead and use XGBoost to train a model now. And there we go. We trained our first model. That's it, builders. You've seen how to set up, create notebooks, and build machine learning pipelines at scale. Make sure you check out the Quickstart linked below to easily try out Snowflake Notebooks on Container Runtime for model development at scale.